Right, good morning and welcome. Mr. Simons. Yeah, we're looking at grade 10 equations. The first problem, first lesson, we'll be solving linear equations. Right, so linear equations is such that the highest exponent for x is 1. For equations, we'll always say solve for x. They have linear, quadratic, exponential, hyperbolic. We have equations where we have to square, we have equations where we have to find square root, etc. Right? But the main concept in most of them is, especially for grade 10, we'll be testing factorization to solve it. So they gave me 5x minus 25 equals 0. So instead of taking the 25 out or over to make it positive, you can say there between the two, 5 is a common factor, meaning 5 can divide in both of them. If I take out 5, I'm going to say 5x divided by 5 minus 25 divided by 5 equals 0. Right? That's how we remove the common factor. So there 5x divided by 5 would give me 1x. Minus 25 divided by 5 would give me negative 5. That's equal to 0. So from there, 0 divided by 5 would stay 0. Then x minus 5 equal to 0 is left. I take negative 5 across the equal sign, it becomes plus 5, therefore x equal to 5. They say solve for x, we're always going to try to get x to the power 1. Right, so there I just solve the linear equation, where the highest exponent of x is 1. Next problem. Right, so in this one, the first testing, you still remember the distributive law. They gave me 3 times 5x minus 2 equal 2 times 4x plus 11. 3 times 5x, or 3 times 5 would give me 15x. 3 times negative 2 would give me negative 6. 2 times 4x gives me 8x. 2 times 11 gives me 22. Right, take all my x's to the same side. So if I have 8x, I take 8x across, I have minus 8x. So now 15x minus 8x, that side I have 22. Take negative 6 over, becomes plus 2. 15x minus 8x gives me 7x. 22 plus 6 would give me 28. Right, and 28 divided by 7, we always divide by whatever coefficient is in front of x. So 28 divided by 7, now I have x to the power 1. 28 divided by 7 then gives me x equal to 4. So there we've solved the linear equation. Again, exponent of x, x to the power 1. Right, let's look at the last problem. If you're enjoying the lesson so far, please like, share and subscribe. On 1.3, I have 5 minus 5x plus 7 minus 2x equal minus 3 times x plus 2. So there I put minus 5x and minus 2x, I group them together. Plus 5 plus 7, group them together. Minus 3 times x gives me minus 3x. Minus 3 times 2 gives me negative 6. Minus 5x minus 2x would give me minus 7x. Bring minus 3x over, it becomes plus 3x. There I'm left with negative 6. 5 plus 7 would give me positive 12. If I take positive 12 across, it becomes negative 12. So minus 7x plus 3x would give me minus 4x. Minus 6 minus 12 would give me negative 18. Always divide by the coefficient in front of x. So there it's minus 4x. So I'm going to divide by negative 4. And negative and divided by negative become positive. 4 goes in 16 4 times, leaving a remainder of 1 over, or 2 over 4, which becomes 1 over 2. Right, so hope you follow, hope you enjoy the lesson. So basic equations, in the next lesson we will be looking at the other formats of questions that's going to come. Wish you nothing but the best. Equations extremely important, especially for topics like functions, analytical geometry, etc., even in physics. Right?